regular battery maintenance, you want to keep these terminals clean. Battery cleaner spray, battery terminal protection spray. Use this to clean it. You just have this mound right here in the middle, and then that will fit right into here, and then you just make sure it is securely mounted. And if you see right there, it actually keeps this battery in place as you tighten that bolt right there. You can get a multimeter. This is the one that I got. It's done a really good job. 12.59. It does also tell you whether it's at full health, medium, or low, or empty. When you turn on your car, that's when it can test your alternator as well. This is the Noco Genius 10. You plug one end into the wall, the other end to the battery, and then you always want to attach this first before you attach it into the wall. Regular, just 12-volt battery, so I don't need to change the mode or anything. Here, it's reached the top already, and then once the rest of these disappear, then it's in a maintaining mode. So yeah, those are just some really easy ways to maintain your battery. You know, in the past, I went through a lot of these batteries, always buying new ones and stuff, not keeping the ones I already had healthy. Save yourself some money in the long run and get some of these tools, and it'll prolong the life of your battery.